Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're watching my channel for the first time, welcome to Asedoskitchen. Today's recipe is Mullah Bathathis or Dama be Bathathis. This is a South Sudanese potato stew. The ingredients for this recipe are as listed on screen, so please check out the full ingredient list plus the quantities used in the description box down below. This stew can be cooked with or without meat. I begin by frying the onions. As the onions start browning, I add the tomatoes and cook the two for 3 minutes, then add half a cup of water. I now add vegeta, coriander powder, curry powder, garlic paste, tomato paste and black pepper. I cook this on medium to low heat for 10 minutes or until the onions soften. At this point, I add the carrots and give them a head start of 5 minutes before adding the potatoes. I now add the potatoes and add water to the level of the potatoes and carrots. Don't add too much water at this stage. Cook the potatoes for 5 minutes, then add the peas. The peas go in last because they don't take too long to cook. I also adjust the salt to taste. I turn the heat down to the lowest setting and cook this for 10 minutes. Halfway through this time, I add the cumin powder and adjust the seasoning. The stew still needed salt, so I added a tablespoon of vegeta instead of salt. I continue simmering this on low for the rest of the time. At this point, the aroma in the kitchen is so good. The stew is now ready to serve with your preferred staple. I served this with rice, but it also goes well with kisra, bread rolls or chapati. If you're new to this channel or you've simply been watching me without subscribing, please smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. This will ensure you're amongst the first people to be notified every time I put up a new recipe. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.